If you've ever felt like you worked too hard to still feel financially unsure, this is the framework that finally brings peace, even if your income isn't huge. It starts with stability, not hustle. Automate your bills so your essentials are always protected. You deserve that calm. Then build a 1-month buffer, just enough to breathe. Just enough to break the cycle of starting over. Next, choose a simple rule: 70% for living, 30% for building your future. And if you can't do 30 yet, do 10. What matters is that you honor yourself with something. Invest in 1 or 2 broad ETFs. No guessing, no guilt, no complicated choices. Just steady, automatic wealth. Separate your accounts so your money feels organized and safe. Give every dollar a purpose before it arrives. This is how you stop feeling overwhelmed. And once a month, check your net worth. Not to judge yourself, but to remind yourself you're moving forward. This is how women build wealth, through systems, stability, and self-trust. Your income doesn't decide your future, your structure does.